Max. What are you doing? Oh, hey. I didn't see you there. It's my pantry. That's where I get all my ingredients from. It's kind of dark in here. Might want to turn on the light. I miss the light. You ever wonder where I got my inspiration from? This guy right here. My hero. Grew up on that boy. So, what you're gonna need to start off your breakfast sandwich is these fine bagels I got from Hawaii. Very exclusive. Very exclusive, you know. Hey, what are you doing?
What?
Hawaii. That's where I got these from. I want to toast them. Hey!
Yeah.
God. Toast them. God. From Hawaii. So, you're gonna want to get your eggs. 2 eggs specifically. Watch. That's how a pro does it one-handed. Now you're gonna want to salt it, and so you want to season your eggs, of course.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Yeah. Now you want to add some pepper. Salt Bae himself gave me this. All right. Want to start? You get a fork, spoon, whatever. Start mixing. Just like that. What are you doing? Want to get your butter? Butter up your pan. Actually, want to turn on your oven first. Put it on a low, medium type of heat. No. Get your butter. I know it. Trust me. Hey, look at me. I'm a cook. I know what I'm doing. Get your butter. Let that baby sizzle. Scary. My way out there. You can go sit down now, you know. I just gotta wait for these to cook. Need some water? That sucks. Now they're done. Let's go get our bagels. Actually, I'm an idiot. Turn off your heat. You want to bring your house down. We don't talk about that time. Ow. Max! Yeah. Ow, I shouldn't have done that. God. Freaking idiot, bro. I swear. Like, do you, like, even have a brain, bro? Like, why do I even have you as my cameraman? Ow! Oh, so you find that funny?
No, sir.
Freaking idiot, bro. Oh. Okay.
There you go.
Keep it quick. You want to put your American cheese? Melts the best, you know? Want to put your eggs you just made on? You alright? You alright?
Yeah.
Alright, just making sure, you know? Gotta look out for you. My cameraman. My one and only.
No one better than Joe.
Who's Joe?
Well, my dad.
Oh. So what you want to do is take this meat, you just buy the store-bought stuff, I as you can see, I cut this myself. Yeah, I had like a deli slicer, Yeah, so you want to put that on, smash it down a little bit, take the top, put it on. Yeah, it's gonna look a little big, but you're gonna smush it. You're gonna smush it down, and hey, you can cut. I mean, and chef cups. Here you go.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoy. Crunchy.
Oh, it's okay.
Just okay?
Yeah.
That bagel's from